When looking for extra savings, you must finally examine mobile phones and their invoices. Tens or even hundreds of phones, a variety of tariffs you haven't checked for a while, and users with no information on how big their invoices are. All these are areas which could turn into quick savings. The Mobile Phone Expenses Approval module is an extension of the Facility module, where you can record data about all your assets. This extension enables you to record information about your phones, SIM cards and tariffs, and uses the existing functionality for handing over assets or requesting new ones. An administrator must first define the structure and all possible items from an invoice. After that, he creates formulae for counting the limits, and these he uses in templates for a maximum price definition. You are allowed to define an unlimited number of formulae and templates, for example, one for each position. By this, you can allow people to spend £1,000 monthly on local calls, ban DMS text messaging and foreign calls for all people, and still allow the management to have invoices without limits. The last step is to assign templates to each phone number, and the system is ready for the first import of invoices. When importing invoices, all files must be selected from your operator, which in our case is a summary invoice for the entire company, invoices for each phone number, and a file with detailed calls. If there is a problem during the import, such as a non-existing phone number or an unknown service item, the import stops and waits for their completion. Import attaches the detailed list of phone calls to each SIM card, checks assigned limits, and calculates the amount to be paid by each employee. After this, the employee can request to be excused from paying this amount, and their request along with their justification goes to their superior, who can approve, reject, or adjust the required amount. All employees can see all the information regarding their invoice along with a log of their phone calls. The managers can see the same information for their subordinates, and the administrator can see details for all SIM cards. Based on the received information, an employee may change the way they use their phone. Managers can see the biggest accounts and check if they are being accounted for by the correct people. Administrators can quickly check if tariffs are set in an optimal way and make necessary changes if appropriate. Another possible extension of this module is the obligation of employees to check whether each phone call is private or business. In this way, invoices can be lowered even further, but, on the other hand, there will be extra administrative work for each employee. Our short introduction to mobile phone expenses approval has come to an end. Boss Solution offers other modules that could benefit your company. Why not consider our Databox Messages Management, management of shared folders, business trip cost breakdown, or approval of agreements? All these solutions are available from Boss.